Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for dairy business. So I am an owner of a dairy business, that is Humble Cows Dairy, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I want is, every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, we need to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, to start an automation process, we need triggers and actions. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads and my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. To create a message template, I am using WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want, you can use Vati or Interact to create your own message template. If you want to learn this automation process, let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we're going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp messages to Facebook lead ads. So I am an owner of a dairy business, that is Humble Cow Dairy, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And I want that every time a new lead is generated with Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, we have to create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. After opening the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account by clicking on this button right over here. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign into my Pabbly account. After that, you can see the All Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 functions of Pabbly. We have to choose Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Now on the screen, you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In order to start an automation process, we need to create a workflow. For that, we have to click on this top right corner button, Create Workflow. After that, a dialog box will appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Humble Cows Dairy Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. After giving a name to our workflow, we need to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders. So I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this specific workflow in. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. And now I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. If you want, you can create your own folder right over here and you can save this workflow in the specific folder. After choosing the folder and giving the name to our workflow, I'm going to click on Create to create a workflow. So now we have created a workflow in the name of Humble Cow Dairy's Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. After that, you can see the 2 windows in front of you. One says trigger, another says action. Trigger and action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these 2 steps. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but various action steps. To set up our trigger step, we have to click on this arrow right over here. Now as you can see, it is asking for us to choose our trigger application. And as in the introduction, I've already told you that our trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads. And after that, it is asking for us to select our trigger event. Our trigger event is going to be new lead instead. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After selecting our trigger application and trigger event, we are going to click on Connect in order to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now you can see a new window appeared in front of us. We have to click on Add New Connection, but if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we have to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. Now you can see as it says we have successfully authorized our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for a page. So in my Facebook account, I have created a page for my business as Humble Cows Dairy. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly and select my page as Humble Cows Dairy. After that, it is asking for the lead gen form. So I have created a lead gen form for my business in the name of Dairy Business. So I'm going to go back and select my lead gen form as Dairy Business. If you want to learn how to create your own lead gen form, then you can check out our YouTube channel. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, we have to click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, as you can see over here, it says waiting for webhook response. So what we are going to do is we are going to generate a test lead. For that, we have to open our lead ads testing tool. So as you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool right over here. If you want to learn how to have the access of this page, you can check out our YouTube channel. So firstly, it is asking for us to select the page. So in my Facebook, I've created a page in the name of Humble Cows Dairy. So I'm going to go back to my lead ads testing tool and I'm going to select my page as Humble Cows Dairy. After that, it is asking for us to select the form, and we are going to select the form as dairy business. After selecting the page in the form, we have to click on preview form. As you can see, this is the form that I've created, and it is asking for some information like full name, email and the mobile number. So I'm going to fill in some dummy details. Firstly, for the full name, I'm going to write it as dummy user. After, for the email, I'm going to write it as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com, and lastly, for the phone number, a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details in this form, I'm going to click on next and then on submit to submit the form. And now, as you can see, it says over here, your test lead has been sent. So I'm going to go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to check whether the response is captured by Pabbly Connect or not. So as you can see right over here, a response is captured by Pabbly Connect. So for the full name, it says dummy user. For the email, it says dummyuser@pabblytudes.com, and lastly, for the mobile number, a dummy mobile number. This means we have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here, and it is asking for us to choose our action application. And as in the introduction, I've already told you that our action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. After selecting our action application, it is asking for us to select our action event, and our action event is going to be send template message. That means I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, as you can see right over here, and I want that every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically to that lead a WhatsApp message should be forwarded from the template that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. After that, we have to click on connect to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. As you can see, a new window will then appear in front of you, in which we have to click on add new connection, and now you can see it is asking for all these multiple information. To have these details right over here, we have to open API setup. If you want to learn how to have your own API setup, you have to click on learn more right over here. Then a new tab will be open, and you will be directed towards this page, in which you can see the tutorial of how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So you can learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API step by step by watching this video. So now I'm going to open my API setup. So as you can see, this is the API setup right over here. And firstly, in my Pabbly Connect, it is asking for me for the token. So I'm going to open my API setup, and as you can see, it says over here temporary access token. So I'm going to copy this from here, and I'm going to paste it right over here. After that, it is asking for the phone number ID. So in my API setup, as you can see right over here, it says phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this from here, and I'm going to paste it right over here. And lastly, it is asking for the WhatsApp business account ID. So in API setup, as you can see right over here, it says WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this from here, and I'm going to paste it right over here. After filling all the details, we have to click on save. Now, as you can see, we have successfully authorized WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for the template name. So in my WhatsApp Cloud API, I have created a template, as you can see right over here, in the name of new lead message. So I'm going to go back and select my template as new lead message. After that, it is asking for the language code and the selected template ID. When you choose your template name, automatically the language code and the selected template ID will be mentioned right over here. So you do not need to do anything with these steps. After that, it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. For that, what we have to do is we have to map the data from our previous trigger step. So mapping means insert the data from the previous step. So how we are going to map the data? We have to click right over here. So as you can see, it says Facebook lead ads new lead instead. So this is the response from our previous trigger step. So I'm going to click on this arrow right over here, as it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data for the mobile number. So I have mapped this data right over here. That means every time a new response is captured in my trigger step, automatically according to the new response, the data right over here will be updated. That means anytime any of my customers generates a new lead, automatically the data over here will be updated according to my customer's new lead generated. So after mapping the data for the recipient's mobile number, as you can see right over here, it is asking body field 1 dummy user. So in my template that I've created, you can see I've also created a variable right over here. So what I want is every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, the name of my customer who have generated the lead should be mentioned right over here. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data for the name of my customer. So we have to click right over here. As you can see, this is the previous response. I'm going to click on this arrow, and as I want the name of my customer, so I'm going to map the data for the name of my customer. As I've completed mapping the data right over here, it will be updated according to to the new response captured in my trigger step. So after filling all the details right over here, we have to click on save and send test request. Before doing that, I'm going to change this dummy mobile number from here into my personal mobile number, and we are going to check whether a WhatsApp message will be forwarded on my number or not. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as you can see right over here, it says that a response is received and a WhatsApp message is forwarded. So I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a message is forwarded on my WhatsApp or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, right over here, as you can see, a WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number as, "Hello dummy user, thank you for expressing interest in our offerings. One of our employees soon going to assist you regarding prices, offers, discounts, or any queries that you have. Thank you, regards." That means we have successfully connected WhatsApp with Facebook lead ads. So now for all of you guys, I'm going to generate a new lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded or not. For that, I'm going to open my lead ads testing tool, and as you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool, and over here it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So as you can see, I've already created a lead with the help of this form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on delete lead, and after that, as you can see, it says your lead has been deleted. I'm going to click on refresh to refresh the page. It is very important for us to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because if you won't delete your existing lead, you will not be able to submit in another response with the help of this form, because you can only create one lead per form. After deleting the lead and refreshing the page, we have to select the page in the form. For the page, I'm going to select it as Humble Cows Dairy and the form as Dairy Business. After selecting the page in the form, we have to click on Preview Form. So as you can see, this is the form that I've created, and now I'm going to fill the details that this form is asking for, that is full name, email and mobile number. So as you can see, I filled all the details that this form was asking for. Firstly, for the full name as test account, email as testaccount@pabblytunes.com, and lastly for the phone number or dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, we have to click on next and then on submit to submit the form. As you can see, it says your test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number or not. And yes, as you can see, a new WhatsApp message is forwarded as, "Hello test account. Thank you for expressing interest in our offerings. One of our employees soon going to assist you regarding prices, offers, discounts, or any queries that you have. Thank you, regards." That means we have successfully created an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp for my dairy business. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a dairy business, that is Humble Cows Dairy, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I want is, every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically towards that lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, we have created an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So over here, as you can see, in our trigger step, we have taken our trigger application as Facebook lead ads and a trigger event as new lead instead. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After that, we have set up our action step. For our action step, we have taken our action application as WhatsApp Cloud API and our action event as send template message. So I have created my message template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want, you can use Wati or Interact to create your own message template. So we have taken this action event send template message because every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded with the help of the message template that we have created from WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is how we create an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video.
So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any questions regarding the Pabbly Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.